Good evening, everyone. How are you? I hope also fine and fantastic, sir. Also too good. My short introduction. My name is Uttrak Markhute. I am from Bhalwahi, Pamgad, the member of R.K. Win Institute of Spoken English and Personality Development, Pamgad. Want to say about my dear sir, Mr. Panendra Sahu sir. Today is sir birthday. Happy birthday, sir ji. Sir, साध्य एकेडमी PSC रायपुर डायरेक्टर एंड child development pedagogy teaching fantastic super. I wish you return happy birthday sir ji. Thank you listening me.